Yeah. Last night I saw this man on the corner with a sign, hoping for a meal. Back pocket pack a knife, so broke, gotta steal. I know we all connected like spokes to a wheel. Never cared who I offended, always spoke what I feel. No, you don't have to like it, at least you know that it's real. Labels at my card table, but ain't close to a deal. In the field, everybody got goals that they must chase. But your pockets looking full like they just ate. Why this one's for my pops on his lunch break. Worked for the years and he's still standing up straight. Same reason every night why I'm up late. I love it more than a fat kid love cake. Like man, I can't wait for what I know is coming. Soon as you blow all the dough that these hoes is wanting. Why people always wanna act like you owe them something. Can't walk a straight line when they nose is running. And we be stars with these bars freestyling. Give them CPR till they start to feel alive again. Your VCR's been time for retiring. Truck full of hoes like I am a fireman. Case full of J's every time that I'm flying in. Hard as the barrel on the 9 I've been firing. Cold as my soul through the mind we inspiring. My beat is a G, let me rhyme on a violin. But shit, I used to want it all like AZ. Yeah, I used to want a ball like KG. Look small, but I walk like I'm 8'3". Stand tall while they all wanna hate me. Overdue, but no trip, I know late fee. Lately, living grass-fed, cage-free. Saw gravy, the hate couldn't break me. I got a little change, but that chain couldn't change me. So till the day that I'm sent to my maker, I'll be chilling out with some friends in Jamaica. How much you save or you spend doesn't make you. God only judges what you lend to your neighbor. We all make moves, but pretend that they major. But to make it to heaven depends on behavior. I'm blending the flavor when pen touch the paper. The love come first or the skill second nature. I'm gone.
You echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning comes. Evil ropes feel the sun so cold. Just because we're not alone. You echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning comes. Evil ropes feel the sun so cold.
Wouldn't be the first time that I made a promise to myself that I get everything I wanted out of life. Wouldn't be the first time, wouldn't be the first time, wouldn't be the first time, no, no. Wouldn't be the first time that I made a promise to myself that I get everything I wanted out of life. Wouldn't be the first time, wouldn't be the first time, wouldn't be the first time. I saw your soul flicker through the third dimension. Burned away my ego, had to learn a lesson. All the man-made religion full of imperfection. Time to elevate a faith to where the world is headed. Pray as humans turn to heaven, set of Armageddon. Try to be a calmer person, what my karma give me. 4 minds become metallic, heart's a mechanism. Why I'm staying unaffected by your pessimism. I ain't one to stay possessed, it's my exorcism. Free my soul, you feel my spirit when I bless the rhythm. Set my message through the beat just like it's Morse code. Just a way for me to feed my thoughts to your soul. While we sitting on this rock in the universe, talking about the things we live for and die for. Call it God, call it love, what do you prefer? Just that feeling that we praying to the sky for. I know that it's now or it's never. No cloud in my weather, then doubt it forever. Grew out of the town, but I found it. The power to rise up is how does it sound? I light up the room when I walk in. Oh, you the one talking, you must have forgotten. I've been in it 10 years deep, but I've been low-key. I'm the king, don't sleep. What more can I say, kid? I done it all. Gave my soul before I ever heard the money call. This year I'll probably make another 100 songs. Another winter, another spring, another summer, fall. I ain't never took a hand out from none of y'all. Couldn't see the truth was standing right in front of y'all. Took a swing, I brought them home off a knuckleball. Fuck them all, let them hate me like the son of God.
You echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning comes. Evil ropes feel the sun so cold. Just because we're not alone. You echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning comes. Evil ropes feel the sun so cold.
Yeah. Now, just picture me high up with my top down on Highland and Sunset, doing 85 on the top deck. See, step by step, we walking on stars. If you looking for some action, you ain't gotta go that far. Now, just picture me Hollywood living, riding through the sun. I'm in town, it's touchdown. Hail Mary, getting to the dough like Pillsbury. All night, don't feel weary. High up is where we will be. Now you ain't gotta feel guilty, won't judge, you gon' be free. Support what you want, go ahead, roll what you want. Fuck, they say somebody, walk around here like they somebody. Don't know what kind of day I had with all this weight, couldn't hold my baggage. Don't hold me back for my habits, live a fast life automatic. I'm just looking around for the baddest Hollywood face with an ass from Dallas. Big ass crib, nigga living in a palace. We rolling out and my hands on the wheel so tight, got a callus. Get so fabulous with everybody here, only thing that matters. Now, just picture me Hollywood living, riding through the sun, riding through the sunset now. Stop tripping, just give me a minute and wait until the sun, wait until the sun goes down. Then you know how it go down, then you know how it go down. I'll entertain you, just wait until the sun goes down. You know how it go down, you know how it go down. Might get a little crazy, just wait until the sun goes down. Then it's go time. I swear this feeling like we inches from the goal line. Now or never, better make your mind. Might hit her with a line like what's your sign. Hit her with a glass of sparkling wine. Hit on that ass, she might not mind. Acting like a 10, look more like a 9, but don't be stuck up. Really, how could you not see us? Doing it big, it's obvious. You ain't gotta say much, cause I know you sick and tired of that bullshit. Then don't be afraid, take a shot and bite the bullet. That's one in the hole. Can't get enough, need 1 or 2 more. Tell them catch up, they running too slow. Out the gutter, I learned to bowl. And finally, it's movie time to show them I play the role of a champion. You see the goal, like shine bright, can't see the road now. Just picture me Hollywood living, riding through the sun, riding through the sunset now. Stop tripping, just give me a minute and wait until the sun, wait until the sun goes down. Just picture me Hollywood living, riding through the sun, riding through the sunset now.